You unlock it, you start it, you drive it. But what if we told you that under your fingertips there are functions your car never told you about? Settings hidden in plain sight, options buried deep in menus, little tricks that don't just make driving easier, they make it smarter. Because Volkswagen designs aren't just about style or stats. They're about layers of intelligence, small, elegant decisions that only reveal themselves when you know where to look. And once you do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. If you love discovering what your car is really capable of, hit subscribe. Because this is Das Auto Diaries, and today, we're uncovering 10 hidden features your Volkswagen has been trying to tell you. The volume fade trick. There's a moment, subtle, almost invisible, where your car seems to lower its voice just for you. You're driving, music playing, then navigation chimes in, or a call comes through. And like a well-trained butler, the volume fades, gently, almost politely. But what if that softness isn't quite right? What if it cuts too deep or not enough? Here's the trick. Volkswagen lets you adjust that behavior. Go to your infotainment sound settings and look for entertainment volume during navigation, or something similar. It may vary depending on your system. There you'll find sliders or presets that change how sharply your music fades during interruptions. You can decide whether the car should whisper or stay confidently loud. Once you get it right, you'll notice it every time. The music doesn't vanish, it steps aside, just for a second, then slides back in, seamlessly. It's not about volume, it's about presence. And when you fine-tune it, the car feels more yours. When rain closes the windows for you. It's happened to all of us. You step out of the car, windows slightly cracked. Maybe it's a hot day. Maybe you just forgot. 10 minutes later, the sky opens up and your interior turns into a puddle, unless your Volkswagen knows how to handle the rain. Some models come equipped with a hidden feature, automatic rain-sensing window closure. It works like this. If your windows are open and it starts to rain, the sensor near your rearview mirror detects the drops. If the car is locked and the setting is enabled, it will quietly roll up the windows by itself. But here's the catch. It's not always turned on. You'll need to go into the vehicle settings, often under Convenience, Central Locking, or Rain Closing, and switch it on manually. Once done, it stays active. No apps, no reminders, no extra steps. The next time it rains, your car reacts faster than you could. No fanfare, no alerts, just dry seats and the quiet satisfaction that your Volkswagen has your back. The secret trip stats menu. Most people glance at their dashboard to check fuel range or maybe average consumption. But behind that simple display, your Volkswagen is recording a lot more than you think. Buried inside the trip computer menu, accessible via the instrument cluster display or multifunction steering wheel, there's an entire layer of data that often goes unnoticed. We're talking about real-time consumption, updated every second. Driving time since last ignition, distance traveled per trip, idle time, average speed, even engine runtime. It's a window into how your car behaves and how you behave with it. Ever wondered how long your morning commute actually takes, down to the second? Or how much time you spent parked with the engine on? It's all there waiting. What makes this feature so valuable isn't just the numbers. It's the story they tell over time. Your driving habits, your fuel efficiency trends, your rhythm. It turns a routine drive into a performance you can track and improve. And once you've explored it, you'll stop guessing what your car's doing. You'll know. Drive modes that actually change the way you feel. Eco, Normal, Sport. Hey, sound like presets. But in your Volkswagen, there's something more refined, like 3 different moods your car can slip into. Behind each label is a complex web of adjustments. Yes, throttle response changes. That's expected. But steering calibration, gearbox behavior, climate control sensitivity, and even suspension stiffness on equipped models are quietly reconfigured every time you switch. In Eco mode, everything slows down. Throttle input is gentle. Shifts stretch longer to keep revs low. Steering becomes light, easy on your arms, easy on your fuel. Climate control pulls back, saving energy. Switch to sport and the character flips. The throttle sharpens. Gears hold longer for power. Steering stiffens, giving you more road feedback. The suspension, if adaptive, firms up. Even the engine sound in some models gets a touch more aggressive. Normal mode, it's the peace treaty. Balanced, neutral, the everyday blend of comfort and control. But the beauty isn't just in the engineering, it's in how seamlessly it all comes together. You're not just toggling a button, you're setting the tone for how your car behaves. Feeling relaxed? Eco is your friend. Want focus? Sport is waiting. It's like driving a car that understands context, one that changes as you do. Mirror dip in reverse, the curb you never see, parallel parking on a tight street, backing into your driveway with just inches to spare. You shift into reverse, and suddenly you're leaning forward, craning your neck, trying to guess how close that rear wheel is to the curb. But if you own the right Volkswagen, you never have to guess again. Certain models come equipped with a hidden gem. Passenger mirror dip in reverse. When activated, the passenger side mirror automatically tilts downward as soon as you shift into reverse, showing you exactly where your rear tire is heading. You see the curb, you see the line, you park with confidence. But here's the catch, most drivers don't even know it exists, because the feature needs to be enabled manually. To activate it, go into your infotainment vehicle settings, then look under mirrors and wipers, or convenience, depending on your model. Also, make sure your mirror switch is set to the passenger side, right before engaging reverse. It acts like a trigger. Once you set it, it remembers. Every reverse maneuver becomes a precision move, and the next time you squeeze into a narrow space, you'll wonder how you ever parked without it. Easy entry, a hidden luxury in everyday motion. You open the door, you go to climb in, but the steering wheel feels close, the seat too tight. If you're tall or just like a bit of room, it can feel like squeezing into a cockpit. But there's a feature in some Volkswagens that quietly eliminates that awkward dance. Easy entry. When activated, this function automatically moves the driver's seat backward when you open the door, giving you more space to slide in or out. Once you start the ignition, the seat glides back to your saved driving position, like a memory greeting you. It's subtle, elegant, and very, very satisfying. The best part, it's all programmable. Head to your infotainment user profile or seats menu and look for something like entry-exit assist or convenient seat movement. Not all models offer it, and not all trims have electric seats, but if yours does, you'll feel the difference instantly. It's one of those features that doesn't shout, but once you've experienced it, every car without it feels a little less thoughtful. One touch lane change. Blink but your way. You're cruising on the highway, flowing with traffic, and you tap the indicator stalk for a quick lane change. The signal blinks 3 times and that's it. But what if that isn't quite enough for your comfort? Or maybe it's too much. That's where one of Volkswagen's most quietly personalizable features comes into play. Inside the vehicle's lights and vision settings lies a little-known option, the ability to choose exactly how many times the indicator flashes with a single tap. You can set it from 1 to 5 blinks, tailoring it to your driving style. Maybe you want a sharp, quick lane merge on an empty road. Maybe you prefer a longer, more pronounced signal in heavy traffic. It's not about formality, it's about rhythm. Once set, this tiny change becomes second nature. It reflects your confidence, your pace, your flow. Most drivers never touch it, but once you do, you'll never settle for the default again, because it's not just how your car signals, it's how you do. Hidden air purification, a quiet breath of fresh air. We tend to think of climate control as a battle between hot and cold, but in certain Volkswagens, it does something more intelligent, something most owners never notice. Deep inside the climate menu, there's a mode called Air Care. It doesn't just control temperature, it purifies. When enabled, it activates a higher-level air filtration process. External air intake is minimized, internal circulation begins, and a fine particle cabin filter works to reduce dust, pollen, and even urban pollutants. The system is designed not just for comfort, but for clarity. You'll feel the air become crisper, subtly cleaner. The interface might show a soft animation, a blue swirl, or a gentle loop, but what's happening inside is pure engineering finesse. Especially in city driving or during allergy season, it's a silent companion that makes the cabin feel like a retreat. It's not flashy, it doesn't make noise, but once you know it's there, you'll never settle for just air conditioning again. Speed-adjusted volume, the sound that follows your speed. You're accelerating onto the highway. The road noise rises. The cabin gets louder, but your music somehow keeps pace. That's not a coincidence. That's speed-adjusted volume, and it's one of those Volkswagen features that works so quietly you may not even know it's there. As your speed increases, the volume automatically climbs just enough to compensate, and when you slow down, it gently fades back. It's a subtle thing, but it makes a huge difference. You're not constantly fiddling with the knob. The car just keeps the balance for you. But here's the twist. On some models, this feature can be turned off or set too low to notice. To control it, go into your sound settings, then look for Gala or volume adaptation. Depending on your infotainment system, you'll find adjustable levels, low, medium, high, or simply on-off. Once you find your sweet spot, the result is invisible harmony. Your music stays present, never overpowered, never too soft. It follows your pace, it adjusts to your journey, and when it works just right, you feel like the soundtrack is moving with you. Global window control, the key that breathes. You're walking back to your car. The sun's been relentless, heat shimmering off the asphalt. And your cabin? It's an oven. Maybe you wish you could let the hot air out before you even reach for the handle. Or picture the opposite, a sudden summer downpour. You've just parked, stepped away, and then realize you left a window cracked open. Volkswagen has a quiet solution, and it's already in your hand. Built into your key fob is a feature that feels like it belongs in a concept car. Global window control. With a simple press and hold on the unlock button, all 4 windows glide open. Fresh air floods in. Press and hold lock, and they rise again, sealing the cabin in one smooth motion. It's intuitive, it's elegant, and most drivers have no idea it's there. Why? Because in many countries, especially in Europe, safety regulations prevent the window close function from being active by default. That means your car might let you open the windows remotely, but not close them. To unlock the full feature, you'll need to dive into the convenience or central locking settings in the infotainment system. On some models, it may even require a quick configuration visit to the dealer. Simple coding, no hardware changes, but once it's on, everything changes. You no longer race back to your car when it rains. You don't return to a heat-trapped interior. You take control from a distance. And there's something deeply satisfying about that motion. One long press, all 4 windows rise or fall in sync. It feels less like a setting and more like the car responding to your command, like your Volkswagen is breathing with you, opening up, closing down, exactly when you want it to. And there you have it. 10 hidden Volkswagen features that your car has been trying to tell you. Some are smart, some are subtle, but all of them designed to make every drive smoother, smarter, and more yours. Most drivers never touch these settings, but you're not most drivers. If you've made it this far, we know what kind of car enthusiast you are. The kind who wants to understand, not just operate. So here's what's next. You've learned what your car can do. Now find out what you should never do. Watch our next video. Volkswagen owners, stop doing this. It could save your car, your wallet, and your sanity. Subscribe to Das Auto Diaries, where we don't just drive cars, we uncover them. We'll see you in the next one.